Hello guys, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to create a pages to your WordPress website. In last video I have shown you how to create a blog post to your website. So now in this video I will show you pages. So I have already logged into my WordPress website, and I will simply go to the pages menu, and under it you will see two sub menus. One is all pages and second is add new. So when I click on all pages, it will be list out pages which are currently in my website, and currently I have a sample page and a privacy policy page which is in draft. So if I need to create a new pages, then I can click add new from here, and I can also click on this menu add new here. Okay, let me create on add new, and it will allow me to create a new page to my WordPress website. So let me create one page. I'm giving title home, and let me add one dummy content. Okay, so here we can give the title of page, and in this part we can add a description of our page. And in last video I have shown you how this block is useful to add the content. You can add a paragraph, image, columns, heading, code, etc. And when you click on browse all, it will list out many blocks, and it will be used to create your content. So according to your requirement, you can choose any block from here, and simply drag and drop to the content area. So this is how you can actually add a block to your content area. And if I go to the right panel, and here you can see visibility, public, private, or password protected. Currently I'm selecting public, and here you can select the publish. If you remain immediately there, then it will publish now. But if you don't want it to publish now, and you want to publish it on future date, then you can simply select your publish date here, time here, and set it. And when it will reach this time period, then it will be automatically published. It will be scheduled to publish. Okay, I'm doing reset it to publish it immediately. Okay, here template page. Here you can select the template of your page. Currently I do have three options, four options. First is default template, second page, large header, blank, and page no separator, etc. It will be according to your template themes. And here you can give or change the URL slug permalinks. And here you can see the link of your page, and from here you can add the featured image of your pages. Okay, I'm selecting one image, and here is the setting of discussion area. If you do want to allow your users to comment on your page, then you can select it, and if you do not want to allow your users to comment on your page, then uncheck it. And here is the page attribute. If your website have some pages available, and you want to add any page of your website to as a parent page, then you can select it from here. Currently I have one page available which is sample page. So if I do want to add sample page as a parent page of this home page, then I will select it from here. If I don't want it, then I will not select it here. And if I do click on publish and publish it, then my home pages will be published. Let me go to the front side and refresh it here. Then you can see one link is available on top right of my header area of website. And when I click on this home link, then you can see this my new homepage which I have created recently are displaying here. So guys, this is how you can create create a page from your WordPress admin site. Okay, let me create one page again. This is contact page, and in contact description you can add content according to your requirement. Currently I'm adding dummy content. I'm going to here, adding one featured image. This is, I only want to show you how you can add page. We'll click on publish, and I will go to the my website, and I will do refresh here, and one contact menu is added. When I click on it, and it will display my contact page. So guys, this is how you can create a page from admin side. If you like my video, then hit the like button, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.